Balanced Kids Snacks.
Hi, I'm Allie.
I'm Becky.
We are registered dietitians that are passionate about food as medicine. And today we have a special guest, my almost 5-year-old daughter, Stella. And we're talking about kids' balanced snacks. So Stells, let's tell the friends, what are the top 3 rules of balanced snacks?
Rule number 1, no naked carbs. Rule number 2,
It has to do with these things being things you can imagine. They're single ingredients. What are those called?
whole real food.
Good
And what's
job.
the third
Rule
one?
number 3, make sure it's tasty and healthy.
Oh,
Okay.
Tasty's my favorite rule.
Yes, so in the world of no naked carbs, you'll see that we have whole fruits. So our carbs on here are, I'll point and you tell me what you got on your plate, Stella. These are the carbs first, the fruits.
Apple and salami.
Yep, so salami is the protein and apple's the
Mango
carb.
and pistachio.
Yep, so we have a healthy fat with the pistachios and the dried mango is the carb. What's going on over here, Stelly?
Cheese and frozen grapes.
So which one's the carb and which one's the protein?
Carb, protein.
Very
job.
good. And then how about this plate? What do we have going on here?
Blackberries and meat stick.
And a meat stick. And do you like meat sticks?
Yes.
Okay, and what's going on in here?
Smoothie.
What color smoothie?
Green smoothie.
Yes. So the green smoothie is like a combo where we are going to be combining full fat coconut milk or almond butter as the fat. And then we're adding my grass-fed whey, the naturally nourished grass-fed whey, for a way to boost your immunoglobulins and glutathione, really nutrient dense in there. So you're getting protein, fat, and then the carb comes from frozen mango in here and our leafy greens. Let's tell the friends what happens if you have a naked carb.
It will balance your blood sugar.
If you, well,
And you'll go spinning and spinning and
Yeah.
spinning, and then you'll fall off.
I mean, that happens to me, honestly, when my blood sugar is out of whack. I get really crashy. Like, I just, don't have any energy. I get really tired. I get maybe kind of grumpy and angry. Does that happen to you? Yeah.
So when you're working with your kids, even starting as early as age 2, when they want a snack, it's best to say, let's choose a carb, and then you always want to secondarily choose a protein or a fat. That functions like a lid on the jar, which keeps the blood sugar from having a dynamic spike, making more of a speed bump, and that protein and fat support satiety, as well as providing more robust nutrition in many spaces. So getting like the fiber and the B vitamins in our pistachios, getting all of the protein that we're gonna get in our grass-fed cheese, or our salami, or meat stick, or grass-fed whey. So I hope this gives you some awesome ideas on how to provide balanced snacks for your children. As I said, it's really important to involve them in the process because their autonomy or choice really brings this concept to life. So instead of giving them an open-ended question of what do you want for a snack, it's what would be your carb choice, and then what would you like to add as your protein or fat. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a like. Say, give us a like, friends.
Give us a like, friends.
Double thumbs up. And make
Double
sure
thumbs up.
you comment on your favorite snack below that doesn't have naked carbs, uses whole food ingredients, and of course is tasty.
Do the thumbs again, Stella.
Whoop!